In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images into shapes. This simple technique lets you turn a regular photo into a polished graphic element, great for slides, documents, and social posts, without needing advanced design skills. We'll walk through selecting your image, finding the crop to shape command, choosing the right shape, and then fine-tuning the result so it looks intentional and clean. Start by selecting the image you want to transform. Click directly on the picture so you see it highlighted with handles or a boundary box around the edges. That visual outline confirms the image is active and ready to edit. If you have multiple images on your canvas, make sure the correct one is selected by clicking once and pausing to see that border appear. If you accidentally select something else, just click on the photo again to target it. Next, go to the toolbar and look for the crop control. You'll typically see a crop icon with a small arrow or a drop-down option. Open that drop-down and choose Crop to Shape. This tells your editor to apply a shape mask rather than a standard rectangular trim. You should see a gallery or list of shapes, everything from circles and rounded rectangles to stars and arrows, so you can quickly find a look that fits your layout. Now choose a shape from that gallery. Pick something that complements your content. Circles work well for profile photos or logos, rounded rectangles feel modern and friendly, and more geometric shapes can add energy or direction. As soon as you select the shape, your image is masked inside it. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect yet, you'll refine the framing in the next step. Finally, adjust the crop by dragging the edges as needed. You'll see handles around the shape. Pull these to resize the visible area. If your editor allows it, you can also drag the image inside the shape to reposition the subject, keeping the important parts centered and avoiding awkward cutoffs. Use the corner handles for balanced scaling, and the side handles for fine horizontal or vertical tweaks. Aim to keep faces, logos, or focal points away from the very edge so they have breathing room. If the image looks pixelated when you enlarge it, reduce the size slightly or start with a higher resolution photo. If a move doesn't work out, a quick undo gets you back on track. And that's it. Select the image, use crop to shape, choose your design, and fine-tune the framing. With a few thoughtful adjustments, your images will look polished, consistent, and ready to impress.